Jurors heard from more family members and witnesses in the courtroom as Michael Robertson's murder trial continued today. He's accused of killing his pregnant girlfriend, Akia Eggleston, in 2017. Robertson was the father of her unborn child. Stefan Dingle explains what he saw in the courtroom today.
Day 3 testimony focused on May 3rd, 2017, which was the last day anyone saw Akia Eggleston alive before she disappeared. First on the witness stand was Michael Robertson's brother, Kenneth. Text messages between the brothers were shown to the jury that revealed the defendant telling his brother that he was catching the bus to his house and no longer needed a ride. Kenneth testified that he and Michael played video games for about an hour while drinking beers at his home before the defendant left on the same evening that Akia Eggleston was last heard from.
To see the defendant walk out of that room today smiling, it just breaks my heart as one of her fathers.
The jury also heard from Eggleston's biological father, who testified that she was supposed to take over a lease at the end of May of 2017 and has started to move a few of her things to that home in Southwest Baltimore. That information goes against the narrative that the defendant and Eggleston was supposed to move in together, which is why on May 3rd she went to get cash out of a bank for a down payment on a home that she and Robertson were allegedly supposed to get together. Eggleston's father also said that his daughter seemed disappointed during her pregnancy because the defendant never showed up for appointments with her and caused her a lot of strife over their relationship. To close out Day 3, the jury also heard from the mother of Robertson's other girlfriend and mother of his children. She testified the two had a really rocky relationship while staying with her in Elk Ridge. She said he lived there for about 3 to 6 months before he was no longer welcome because of their toxic relationship. She revealed to the jury that her daughter is now living in Michigan and doing much better with Robertson's 4 children.
To hear that she was being attacked by this young lady, it brings to my attention that why is she not here in the same position that the defendant is in? Why is she not here as a possible assailant also in this case?
Week 2 of the trial is set to resume Monday, where the jury will hear from detectives, Akia Eggleston's doctor, and the interrogation interviews of Michael Robertson. I'm Stefan Dingle for WJZ.